Morning, this is Winston Baring. This is my backend for drip codes. This is the controller, repo, service, routes, application. This is the form. This is how my code look like in the diagram. Jeep and then Jeep routes. I have a controller which is basically connected to the service, and I have a service who is connected to the database using the repo, using the GPA repository so that it will connect to the database. And for my model, this is my model. I have string code here and the list of waypoints that I'll be using on later. So yeah, it first started with the code here. This is my API, so it just mapped the Jeep routes, meaning if I type this one, then it will return the default map, which is find all the Jeep routes, which is a list of Jeep routes, the list of our models here, which consists of, as I showed a while ago, code and string. So let's visualize what does it see, how does it look like. So this is the Jeep routes. If I use prettyprint, then it will return an array of Jeep routes, which is the code and waypoints, Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo. And if we use a specific code, we can, we, it will return a entity, which is the specific entity. For example, if you use this one, then you can just map this one here and enter, and it will return a specific entity. That is the purpose of the of this response entity here. So this is the API for the controller, and our controller connected to services, and the services connected to the it's like a connect. This is also like connecting to the database, but it's like connecting to the database, but this is a different layer, and this layer connected to the database. And the form of our database is this one. Okay, thank you.